Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to find clients for your services? So in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to generate leads and find customers fast. Claude AI can help you find target audiences, discover where your clients are, and even write messages to reach them. So let's break it down step by step. First, you gotta go to Claude AI and type a simple prompt like find target customers for a video editing service. Claude will break it down and show you potential clients like YouTubers, content creators, small businesses, social media influencers. This helps you clearly understand who to target. Now, the second prompt is even more powerful. Where can I find YouTubers who need video editing? Claude will suggest places like YouTube channels, Instagram creators, X creators, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Now you know exactly where your leads are. Now let's get clients. For that, you're going to type the prompt, write a cold DM for offering video editing services. Claude will generate a professional message like, hey, just watched your content, loved it, I noticed, etc., etc. So you can also refine it according to your own choice and just copy the message and start reaching out to creators on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube comments, email. The more messages you send, the higher your chances of getting clients. So that's how you use Claude AI for lead generation. It helps you find clients, locate them, and even talk to them professionally. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.